Okay, let's look around for the chiller system here. Over there is the controls panel, and there are four chiller here, 2 for standby and 2 for duties. This is the chemical tank for after use. Chemical tank, we have a schedule for cleaning the pipe pin once time per week. We are having a problem with the flow. The flow is not enough, so the chiller cannot working as well. We have to push the flow. Please look at the position of the valve, so the balancing display, it is under the valve. This video will show you how to do the water balance for chiller system. Okay, you can see the oven drop valves here. We will use this tool to squeeze the water. Now we are having a trouble with the cooling temperature of our FCUs. Here we are going to check the water flow rate of the chillers, because when the water flow is not enough, the cooling will be not enough same. So in this video we are trying to do the water balancing for the chiller system. Anyway, in this video I just want to show you that for chillers piping we have to measuring the water flows properly by using the water balancing tool. Anyway, the engineering who are in charge of this work can know it clearly. I did not explain clearly about how to use this. For using this tool, it's not complicated. If you have the manuals, you can follow the guideline from the manual and then you can use this properly. As I remember to use these tools, we just know some basic points like the piping dimensions and the balancing brand of the tool, like the oven drop or some things, and then we can input it into the settings point of the tool, and then you can start and reading will show you how many flow in the tools. Anyways, you can check for more video about it. Anyway, here we do the balancing from the main risers. Because we want to know the main riser have enough flow or not. If the main riser is not enough, so the brand will be not enough the same. Anyway, at the use, we also have the we also have to do the balancing the same.
ของแรงมาได้ยังมือพัก
This is the main riser. We have a 3 riser, 1, 2, and 3, and we want to know the flow rate is enough or not. So we have to do the balancing here. And then we will adjust the one if which one have more flow.